My name is Coach Mustafa, still on the mission of earning 1 million Ocex token. Now, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Ocex earning from the staking and from all the bonuses that you know very well that pay on Ocex token. You can see my team is performing very well. You see, now let me go straight to the point. I will come here, those earn Ocex token. So what happens is this: you come, and at the moment you come right here, you are going to go to the main dashboard. After the main dashboard, you go where there is withdraw. Here I have about 638 Ocex token. Remember, this Ocex token, you can withdraw them in BNB, you can withdraw them into USDT. How do you do that? That's what I'm going to show you. So I come here and I click withdraw. You see, then at the moment you click withdraw, you type the amount of the coins that you want to cash out. 300 Ocex token. Forget those networks whereby you earn coins that you cannot sell. Here all the coins are tradable into USDT and BIP20. You choose the network, is going to be BIP20, and after you put your wallet address, which is there already. Having selected the network, which is BIP20, the next thing is to click send OTP, which is a one-time password that they will send to your email to confirm you are the one initiating this withdrawal. You see, so let's enter it. You receive an email that's sending you this code, as you can see right here. So copy this code. After copying it, you can see I come and I paste it there. The moment I paste, I'm going to confirm. After confirming, boom, as simple as that. Just give it a few minutes and then your coins are going to immediately they have already appeared here. You can see immediately without even wasting time. Right now they have just appeared. You can see even the time here. Immediately it's just instant. The moment you click, immediately they buy your coins and they give you USDT immediately. Isn't that wonderful? So if you are there and you have some or Ocex token, please, you have two options: either to wait for them to increase in a bit and then withdraw, or you can set a kind price. The choice is always yours. The choice is always yours. You can see now my withdraw wallet has what? Has 0. So that's how we withdraw, to show to do for you this video, so that I can demonstrate for you how you withdraw in this powerful business. Thank you for tuning in and for watching this on my channel. Don't share it with as many people as you like in your team, so that you can help them. You can help them to understand. For those who want to withdraw the staking, the words or claim the earn token, that is going to be another video, because it's easier to come and claim. For now, I don't want to claim that because I want this coin to first increase in value before I claim them. You can easily connect your wallet here. Connect the wallet. You can connect Binance directly here. You can connect Binance wallet. You see, the moment you connect it, they will not. You get a prompting. Okay, I can import the wallet, and everything along that line. But I'll show you a video just to ensure that you understand everything. So these are private stuff, the seed phase and everything. I'll show you that in another video. You see. So for now, I'll not go to connect the wallet. I'll show you how to withdraw the Ocex token. At the next video, I'll show you how to claim. Thank you.